Right, and Jess, 39 last week. That was a bit of a disaster, so let's see if you managed to pull yourself up from that. 4, 34 and 12. Should be able to do that. That one's right. That one's wrong. That one's right. That's closer to 7,600 because it's only 29 after it. Factors are 25. Numbers are good. 25 exactly. You should be able to do. Good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 700 is correct, 228 is correct. You should be able to do that. And this, you've rubbed out the right thing. That's what they want you to do. That is an estimate. That is an exact answer. Okay, so the key there is estimate. Can't give you the mark because you've crossed it out. So total for the page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you've lost 8 marks on that first page. That's good. That is good. No, you have to take away the 40 before you do the divide. So you need to do 220, take 40 equals something times 9, then you do the divide. 16, 7, 9, 8, 2, 5 for the page. Lovely. That's great, that's full marks. The mode is the one that happens the most often, so it's black. And that's right, good girl. 6 and 6, well done. No, the perimeter, you need to add all these together. It's the total distance all the way around the outside. So you've blown that, and then the area, you should be able to work out, even if I haven't done it with you, you'll have done this in Key Stage 3, where you split that into 2 rectangles. So this rectangle is going to be 9 times 3, which is 27. And this rectangle is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. And then you're going to add the 27 and the 18 together to get 45. And this one is your units question. So even if you'd left that blank, but write centimetres squared there, you would have got a mark. As it happens, you don't get anything. 6, 8, 9 for the page. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct. Yeah, that's good. Can't argue with that. That's really good. That's wrong. That's wrong. Greater than 90 and less than 180 is obtuse. So 6 for the page. The area of the base is 4 times 3, which is 12. You want to find the height. The volume is that times that times that. So 84 is 12 times the height. So the height is 84 divided by 12, which is 7. So you're not going to get any method for that. 15 below, good, good, excellent. 3 marks for that. That's correct. Now then, what are we doing here? No, that's not right. Now, we've done that this week, so hopefully you would be able to answer that now. This is correct, but you do need to join up the graph. It's a conversion graph, so it's not like a scatter graph. You can join those up and then use the graph. So you're going to get 1 mark for that, and that answer is wrong with no method. 3 for the page. That's good. That's wrong. So 2 for that. 11:25 to 12:08 is correct, but it's not 1 hour 35 minutes. That's going from 25 past 11 to 8 minutes past 12. It's less than an hour. I'm not quite sure how you worked that out, but it's wrong. 1147 would get him there at 1456. It would, but we're interested in the latest train, and the 1212 would also get him there in time. So it's not the one that you've picked isn't actually the latest. And how long would he have to wait? So if he catches the 1147, he gets to Bristol Parkway at 12:59, and he's leaving at 13:40, so he would have to wait for you 41 minutes. 2-5. Good. 5 sides is correct. 106 plus 106 plus 106 is 318, but these are internal angles. Okay, and what you need to find out what the exterior angle is, that needs to be exterior to take away from 360, because it's the outside angles that add up to 360, not the inside angles. So you're gone wrong from there. You need to add those up and put them equal to 180. So I can't give you a method for that. So 1 for that. No, that's not right. What you've got there is y times y times y times y, which is y to the 4, plus 6y. Well done there, that's good. Nobody else has had that right so far. That's right, it's adding up in 4, but you need then to do something with it. I'll talk about that next week. And then this is a frequency polygon, but you need to join the lines together. What we're looking for, or what they're looking for, is a graph that looks like that, rather than a graph that looks like yours. But what you've done is you're trying to do the right thing. Okay, if you'd have joined those up with a ruler, you would have got both marks. You don't get that mark. 3 for the page. Okay, now Jess, so let's see how you've done. 10, 15, 24, 30, 33, 36, 41, 44, 45, 48. Well, that was a really tough paper. Okay, and you did better in that than you did in the first paper. Most people do it the other way around. So you've got yourself an E. You are 7 marks off a D. Okay, but like I said, that was a really tough paper.